I'm Charles McAleer. I handle serious personal injury cases. These cases are often caused by car and truck accidents or slips and falls on property.
Medical Malpractice Lawyer, Atlanta, Georgia. Can you sue if you've been misdiagnosed by a doctor? Medical malpractice suits can seem daunting to patients, especially when the patient feels they don't quite understand as much as their doctors do. The truth is that you can sue a doctor for medical malpractice in the case of misdiagnosis. If you believe that you have a medical malpractice lawsuit, it is important that you contact a medical malpractice lawyer in Atlanta who specializes in malpractice cases. McAleer Law has a proven track record of recovering monetary damages for our clients in Georgia. What you should know about medical malpractice lawsuits in Georgia. The statute of limitations in a medical malpractice lawsuit is 2 years. What this means is that there's a limited amount of time for a person who suffered losses to file a claim. Once that time period is over, the court will bar you from seeking monetary compensation or filing a claim in your case. There are a few extenuating circumstances that can add to, or even take away from this time limit. This is why it's imperative that patients who feel they have a malpractice suit contact a medical malpractice lawyer in Atlanta to discuss their case as soon as possible. In a malpractice suit due to a misdiagnosis, there are a few different scenarios you may find yourself in. In the case where the misdiagnosis led to injury, the statute of limitation starts from the date the injury was incurred. For example, if the misdiagnosis led to an unnecessary surgery, the date of the surgery would likely be the start of the clock on the statute of limitations. If the misdiagnosis had a less concrete time attached, such as a case where a condition was not diagnosed when it reasonably should have been, and the lack of treatment caused further injury, the date would likely be set when the misdiagnosis was first discovered. In this scenario, when the correct diagnosis was reached, are you in need of a medical malpractice lawyer in Atlanta? If you're in need of a lawyer who specializes in medical malpractice in Georgia, contact McAleer Law today for a consultation on your case.
If you've been injured or hurt on the job, call McAleer Law today and begin your recovery. We will help you get the care and money you need to get back on your feet. Call McAleer Law today.